walking slowly, that's the rule. Step by step they're on their way, learning new things every day. Pig says oink oink, look at me, I'll write my name for all to see. Horse says neigh, I'm learning too, reading numbers 1 and 2. Oink oink, neigh neigh, clap your hands. Pig and horse are learning plans. Fun in school, they love to play, growing smarter every day. Pig draws shapes, a circle and square. Horse builds trees with great care. Friends together, side by side. School's a place for joy and pride. Oink, oink, neigh, neigh, clap your hands. Pig and horse are learning plans. Fun in school, they love to play, growing smarter every day. Pig draws shapes, a circle and square. Horse paints trees with great care. Friends together, side by side. School's a place for joy and pride.